I'll be showing you guys the Anker PowerCore Lite
Coming up.
Okay, so here we got the Anker PowerCore Lite 10,000. As you can see here, we got a new designed case because this is one of Anker's latest products. So it says charge fast and live more. And this one is a USB supported input only, so you can't like charge your phone through USB-C, but you can you can charge the battery itself with USB-C. Okay, so here's the battery. I have opened this already, but as usual, I usually like to put it back in the box to show you what it would look like if you unboxed it. So you got the battery right there, and the 2 instructions, and happy or not happy, which is in almost every single Anker product and all their other companies' products. So this comes with a USB or a micro USB cord. It does not come with the USB-C, but I managed to be able to buy a USB-C cord also from Amazon. Okay, so here's the USB-C cord. I will be doing an unboxing video later on this week. But so there's some differences between the USB-C and micro USB-C, or the micro USB cord. The USB-C cord has nothing on it compared to the micro USB, which has like little clips and stuff for inside it. And the USB-C is reversible, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in the wrong way. Okay, so going back to the battery, there's like a nice design on the front it's like an anti-slip grip, but it's like kind of like lines going back and forth between it. And it looks like Anker has updated their logo with a lightning bolt instead of just the little like arrow. So this PowerCore battery has 10,000 mega amp storage capacity and has a output of 5 volts and 2.4 amps and an input of 5 volts and 2 amps. So there is 2 different charging modes. You got the regular charging mode, which is just the 2 blue dots. And if you can go into trickle charging mode for the low power devices like wireless earbuds and watches by double clicking the button, which then a green light will appear. And then you click it once to deactivate trickle charging mode. So getting back to the technology on this, the USB-A output for the phones and the devices is a Anker IQ fast charge port, not a Quadcom though. So for the USB-C, you're going to want to plug it into this port right here, and then plug it into the wall. This is not a USB-C to USB-C cable. It charges a little bit more slower, but the USB-C to USB-C cables are really expensive. And for the micro USB, you just plug it in right here, just like any other regular Anker product, and then plug it into the wall. Okay, so according to Anker.com, the Anker battery can charge up to 2.5 charges on an iPhone 8 Plus and 2.6 charges on a Samsung Galaxy S9, and an iPhone X can be charged 2.6 times too.
Hello?
And this thing all is compact and portable into a 7.44 ounce design and case. And last but not least, this battery comes with a worry-free 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. You can find the link for this battery in the description below.